Hey fourth graders, welcome back. Well, as you see today, I'm not in my classroom, I'm at home because the governor had said that it's best for us to stay at our houses. So, because that's what we were told to do, I'm going to make that good choice and listen and follow those directions. So before I get started, today is a very special day, and today happens to be Blake's birthday. So everybody, make sure you send Blake a happy birthday, and today during our meeting, we'll tell Blake happy birthday also. But first, here you go, Blake.
It's your birthday today. It's your birthday today. There's a cat licking your birthday cake. It's your birthday today. It's your birthday today. Everybody say hooray. There's a cat licking your birthday cake. It's your birthday today. He can't read, so he does not know that the cake is not for him. No, it might be his birthday too, but the chance of that is slim. It's your birthday today. It's your birthday today. There's a cat licking your birthday cake. It's your birthday today.
So, happy birthday, Blake. Oh, somebody's came to join me. You all haven't got to meet. Come here. Well, I tried to catch the puppy. Here, oh, here she is. Here is our new puppy. Coda, tell the kids hi. Hi, guys. Isn't she cute? You ready to let you down? Huh? Okay. So, today is just a really quick, short video because we are going to have a meeting at 11 o'clock for math. I did want to wish Blake a happy birthday. I also want to say good job to those people who have went online and completed their portfolios for social studies and the ones who have completed their portfolio for science. Boys and girls, it is so important that you do your work and that you do it on time. It has to be done. I cannot give you a grade unless you do your work. It's that simple. So let me show you real quick to give a quick shout out to those people who did turn in their portfolio assignments. So, oh no, technical difficulty. Okay, so as you can see, I can go onto my class dojo very easily. You guys know that because I go on, do it in class all the time. I click on fourth grade is awesome. I click on portfolios, and then I can click down on, here we have Great Depression. I have only had Sam, Christian, Julian, Emma, Julianne, Blake, Angelica, and Evan, and Lacey, Salvador, and Allison. Those are the ones who have finished, and all you had to do was go online, make me a quick video, or even type something to me, however you want to do it. Tell me what you learned about the Great Depression. That way I can give you a grade. So good job, Allison, Salvador, Lacey, Evan, Angelica, Blake, Julianne, Emma, Julian, Christian, and Sam. On the water cycle, only these people have submitted a picture to me. All you had to do was draw a picture of what the water cycle is and take a picture and submit it to me. I have Jodianne, Sam, Allison, Julian, Angelica, Lacey, Evan, Connor, Salvador. So those people, I am super proud of you all because you all are really keeping up on your work. Those are the ones that are consistently keeping up with their work and doing it every day. And most of those people, I'm not getting their work in at 11 o'clock at night. There are some of you that the work's coming to me really, really late at night, and that's just too late. School's out at 3, unless your parents have talked to me about it. You should be done. Today's assignments honestly should take you way less than not even an hour. Maybe an hour and a half if you are moving slow. So we gotta really get with it and start remembering that even though you're not at school in front of me, your schoolwork has to be done, and it has to be done in a timely manner. That means you cannot play around or tell your parents, oh, I don't know how to do this. Oh, it's too hard for me. Boys and girls, I haven't given you a single thing so far to do that I didn't think you were capable of doing. So I know you guys can do it. I know that you're able to do it. I know that it's not too difficult. I know that I haven't given you too much work. The IXL, if you think about it, the amount of IXL I've given you is equivalent, meaning the same as, the amount that you normally have for homework. So you take that and you think about it, and a lot of you are complaining about doing IXL. That's how much I normally give you for homework, and I'm giving you class time to do it. So really, most of the time for math, you have front and back of a math page and IXL. That's it. Language arts, it's the same kind of assignments we've been doing all along. Your fluency passage, this one here, I can't tell you how many people sent me pictures of this and they didn't answer these in complete sentences, or they forgot how to answer them in complete sentences. I had some people writing the question and just taking the question mark off to make it into their answer. We know better. The first question says, what happened when the rain got close to the ground during the heat? You take off the words what and happened. We know that. When the rain got close to the ground during the great heat, this happened. So let's go back and check our work and make sure we're doing things the way you know you've been taught how to do it. Because I do look at it. You may think I don't, but I do. So with that being said, for those of you who may not be able to get on to Zoom today, I'm going to go over the math lesson really quick just to kind of give you an idea of what to do. Let's hope that my marker board here, excuse me while I get my eraser. I'll just get a napkin off my table. Advantages to being at my own house, huh? Okay, we're just adding fractions with like denominators. So you know that when you add fractions with like denominators, like 2/5 plus 1/5, you can do it two different ways. You can write it like this. Because of the word denominator, that means it's the boss and it doesn't change unless you have to change it, which we're not doing that yet. So you put down your 5, and now all you're doing is 2 plus 1 is 3, so your answer is 3/5. That's simple. That was number 1. Number 2, 1/4 plus 2/4 plus 1/4. So we know that the 4 is our denominator, so that's going to stay the same. We add 1, 2, 1, that's 4. We know that 4/4 equals 1. That's the whole. A whole number. If the top number and the bottom number match, that equals 1. So I'm looking here on this page. I don't see a single problem that you shouldn't be able to do without assistance. On numbers 9, 10, 11, and 12, those ones you have to find the missing number. You can do that. You know how to do that. It's the same thing. Just don't worry about the fraction, the denominator on the bottom. If you take off looking at number 9, so I'm skipping down to number 9, and I'm looking, it says 2/12 plus 12. Well, 2/12 plus blank 12 equals 9/12. Don't worry about the 12 on the bottom. This is what's really, really confusing you guys. That 12 is not important right now. All we're looking at up here is the 2 and the 9. Well, 9 minus 2 is 7, so I know that 2 plus 7 equals 9, so 2/12 plus 7/12 equals 9/12. That's all you have to do. So I shouldn't have anybody saying, Miss Ann, I couldn't do it, I didn't understand. Because I am going to be doing a Zoom meeting at 11 o'clock, so you'll be able to understand it from that. And it's pretty easy. I'm looking at the back, and it's the same exact thing. The 2 story problems. Same thing, you just have to add on number 9. On number 10, you have to add. And on number 11, write about it. Marissa walks 2/8 a mile each day for 3 days. Does she walk more than 1 mile in all? So if you said 2/8 plus 2/8 plus 2/8, 2, 4, 6, 6/8. Well, 8/8 would be 1 mile. Is 6/8 the same as 8/8? No. So, we know it's not a mile, don't we? Easy peasy. I think you guys can do this. It's really not hard. You are so smart, and you have all the math skills to do this. So don't tell your parents, I don't know how to do this, because you know how to do it. You guys are smart. And then your other assignment today, you didn't really have much ELA other than maybe have your parents give you a spelling test, finish up your spelling contract if you hadn't finished it. And then for ELA today, I had wanted you to go on in social studies, and you had to finish reading about the Great Depression, or not the Great Depression, World War II. And answer the questions, and there was only, actually, one, 2, 3, because I don't think I assigned number 7, 3 questions that you had to actually write an answer on. The other ones, oh, I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4 questions. The other ones were just ones you either had to circle something or whatever. You just had to read this. I might even, during our Zoom meeting, read it together. Then I put an IXL on there about World War II. It is a 4th grade IXL about World War II. I want you to try to do it. It's really good learning. It won't take you very long. Not at all. So, can't think of anything else to tell you other than stay safe. Play outside in your yard and get fresh air, because fresh air is really, really good for you. And be good and kind to everybody. And I hope that you enjoyed seeing my video from my house rather than the classroom. And I love you guys. I miss you. And I'll see you at 11 o'clock at our Zoom meeting. Bye. And now I have to go turn my camera off. And for those of you that stay tuned, the word of the day is puppy.